guys, this is Lakshmi with Data Clarity. Today we're going to talk about how to publish and share Power BI reports you created using the Power BI desktop tool. So yesterday we created this report in Power BI desktop. This is a sales report using sales data from Excel. So this report lives on my computer. So the next question was, how do I make this report shareable with others, and how do I access this report when I'm not at my PC? That's where the Power BI online service comes in. The Power BI online service is a place where you can publish and save your Power BI reports online, and you can share them with other people. You can export the reports to PDF as well as PowerPoint formats. So let me show you how to do that. So we begin in the Power BI desktop tool. This is the report that we're interested in publishing. So you will see that under the Home tab, there is a Publish option. Now, another thing to notice is I'm already signed into my Power BI online account. So if you're not signed in, you'll have to do that first and then hit Publish. You can select your workspace, or you can just publish to the default folder or workspace called My Workspace. In this case, I'm going to select Data Clarity, say Select, and it tells you that it's publishing the report to Power BI. It should take a few seconds. And then you get a message saying success, and you can open it. So now let's look at how we view this report in the Power BI online service. So to access Power BI online, you go to app.powerbi.com. Oops. And let's sign in. In my case, I already have an account, so I'm going to sign in. And you're taken to your default home page. So on the left-hand side, you'll see workspaces. We had published the report to the Data Clarity workspace, so that's where I'm going to go. And you'll see the report listed there called Sales Report. I'm going to click on that, and here's our report. So now this report is available on Power BI online. It's not shared with anybody. So if you like, you can share it. The way to do that is here. So I can put in the email address of the person and hit share. There are a few options. You can say whether you want this person to share the report or not, and whether they should receive an email notification. Share tells you your report has been successfully shared. Another neat thing that you can do here is sometimes you don't want to pass around a web link. You want to export the report to, let's say, a PDF or a PowerPoint for a meeting. So that's where you can do the export to PDF or PowerPoint. And you have the options. You can export only the current page, or you can export the entire report. And this is basically allowing you to change what data is seen here. You can export it with the data from Jan 1st to March 30th, or you can change it. So in this case, I'm going to say export as is. This part, the export to PDF, can take a little bit of time depending on how big the report is, anywhere from a minute or two to 5-6 minutes. In our case, I expect it to be quite quick. While we're waiting for that, we can also see there's another option to export the report to PowerPoint. So that is what will give you a slideshow of this report. Should be done anytime now. There we go. So I can open up that report. There you have it. It's the exact same report. So another last option which I want to share is you can also publish the report to the web. So what you will get is a link which is publicly accessible. So you can take this link and there you have the whole report. So that is about Power BI reports publishing and sharing. Uh, do subscribe to the channel for similar videos and more data analytics tips and tricks. Bye.